Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I'm Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I'm going to show you what decor I made using the leftover jute strings and these coffee stirrers, wooden coffee stirrers. If you notice, these are thin ones compared to regular ice cream sticks. I really don't remember how I got these and where I bought these, but when I checked online, they are easily available in different prices, so you can easily buy them. Take any cap of a plastic bottle and start sticking the stirrers around the cap, leaving a little gap between them. Make sure all the sticks are at the same level on both sides. If you notice, after sticking all of them on top side, they are not sticking together in proper circle. So I placed a bangle so that all the sticks stay together as you are seeing in the video. Before sticking the bangle, I painted the part above the bangle. Then I stuck a cotton rope above the bangle and on the bottom edge for a better finish. So what are we going to place in this now? Cut small circles of a thick paper. Here I used old wedding card. Apply glue and stick the jute strings around. Make sure not to leave space between the strings while sticking. Don't worry about the symmetry while sticking as we are going to trim it in the end. I stuck a wooden button and some wooden beads around the button in the center. Now trim the edges. Isn't it looking pretty? What if you don't have these buttons and beads to stick in the center? So here is the option. Yes, this is tea powder. You just sprinkle over the glue and dab. Though it is an option, after making it, I really like them very much and I made more of them. So the flowers are ready. We need some leaves also, right? Cut 2 leaves of jute material and stick them together by placing a flower stem in between. Finished making required number of leaves in the same way. Now assemble them into a mini bouquet of flowers. To make the bouquet, you can twist the leaves around the stem or you can use the glue gun. I just made it according to the space where I am going to display. So everything is ready now, time to display. So successfully made one more decor with jute concept. So this is how I placed it in the niche. It's looking beautiful to see when the light passes through the gap between the two sticks. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Hey folks, I need your feedback to create more such videos. So please leave your comments in the comment section below and also share with your family and friends. So see you all in my next video with more such ideas. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you.